If your birthday falls in the summer months like mine does, I think the easiest, most interesting option for a birthday cake is an ice cream cake. In this video, I'm making a very simple mango ice cream cake, which is almost like a cheat cake because there's no baking involved. You only need a very few very basic ingredients. Let's get started. First things first, I have a shallow bowl and I'm going to put some mango juice into this. I also have some rusk here. I am soaking each rusk individually in mango juice, and once they're nicely soaked, I am going to arrange them in the base of a 6-inch springform pan. Using rusk here is actually a great hack because once you soak them, they're going to resemble the texture of a sponge cake. It's just quick and saves so much time. I am also going to fill in the gaps with smaller pieces. Just break the rusk and fill it in. Alright, so this is done. Just make sure that you're packing the base of your cake with the rusk completely so that you have a nice and even layer. I am now taking about 2 cups of vanilla ice cream. This is your regular store-bought ice cream. And now using my spatula, I am just going to soften it a little. This looks good. Now into this, I am adding some fresh chopped mangoes. Just fold them in. Using softened ice cream actually helps and makes this process much easier. So what I like to do is I bring the ice cream out of the freezer a few minutes before I actually want to use it. And now this vanilla ice cream with the mango pieces go on top of my rusk layer. I am using an offset spatula to simply spread it into an even layer. And now on this vanilla ice cream layer, I am going to add another layer of the soaked rusk. And now for the final layer, I am going to add some store-bought mango ice cream and spread it out too in an even layer. Now all that is left to do is to put this in the freezer for about 8 hours or overnight. So it's the next day, the ice cream cake was in the freezer overnight and it's now time to demold it. To demold my ice cream cake, I am simply going to open the lock of the springform pan, lift the edges and look at how stunning the cake is. Now if you want, you could enjoy the ice cream cake as it is, but if you're making it for a special occasion, you could decorate it to take it to another level. I'm going to add some freshly cubed mangoes on top. Along with some fresh blueberries, some strawberries, and some passion fruit puree. You could use any fresh fruits that you have at hand. I had so much fun making this ice cream cake. Honestly, it's not a recipe, but it was more about sharing an idea with you guys, something so simple and delicious that you can make in your kitchen in this hot weather with basic ingredients like rusk and ice cream. You could use this as a base idea and build up upon it, play around with flavors, use the fruits and ice cream of your choice. It's about being creative and having fun. So I hope you guys will try this recipe at home. Let me know what you think about it in the comments below, and I'll see you guys next week with another recipe. Until then, happy baking and take care.